My dear viewers, now discuss nitrogen family group 15 p block element based on wbchse class 12. Okay, in group 15 element, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, follow the pattern in atomic number, that is 8, 18, 18, 32. At first atomic number of nitrogen 7, adding 8. Atomic number of phosphorus 15. Okay, adding 18. Atomic number of arsenic 33. Adding 18. Atomic number of antimony 51. Adding 32. Atomic number of bismuth 83. Okay, now this group is also known as nitrogen family. Okay, some about point the in group 15 elements. Okay, now group 15 also called pnictogens. Okay, pnictogens. 10 in group 15. Moving down the group, the elements transition from non-metallic nitrogen phosphorus to metalloid, that is arsenic antimony, to metallic, that is bismuth. Electronic configuration of group 15. Outer electronic configuration of ns²np³. Okay, my dear viewers, now discuss very most important MCQ question answer type. Okay, question number 1. What happened to the size of atoms of element of P block as we move from left to right in the same period? That is option B, size decreases. Okay, next question number 2. What is the maximum covalency of the nitrogen atom? That is option D, that is 4. Due to the explain, covalency of an atom refers to the number of electrons that atom can share to form chemical bonds. Usually, it is the number of bonds formed by the atom. Okay, in case of nitrogen, its atom can share up 4 electrons, 2 in subcells and other 3 in p subcells. In adding to this, absence of d orbitals restricted its covalency to 4 only. Electronic configuration ns², np3. Next question number 3. That is, why does nitrogen show poor tendency towards catenation property? Okay, catenation property. Now, option D, that is the nitrogen single bond is weaker than and unstable. Okay, option D, the nitrogen single bond is weaker and unstable. Due to explain for this part, that is the nitrogen single bond is highly weak and unstable due to high magnitude of inter-electronic repulsion of non-bonding electrons, which in turn is caused by the single bond small bond length. Okay, small bond length. As a result, the catenation tendency becomes weaker due to the mentioned factor, leading to instability. Okay, clear, my dear viewers? Next question, question number 4. What is the primary product of Haber-Bosch process? That is ammonia. Option A. Due to explain for this process, that is the primary product of Haber-Bosch process is ammonia. NH3. In this process, nitrogen N2 and hydrogen H2R reacts with high temperature of 700 Kelvin and 200 atmosphere pressure in presence of iron catalyst. It is an exothermic process which takes place in accordance with Le Chatelier principle. It is follow the Le Chatelier principle. Okay. Nitric acid is produced by Olswar process. Okay. My dear viewers, next question, question number 5. Which gas is released when copper chips are subjected to concentrate nitric acid? Option D. Nitrogen oxide. Okay, nitrogen oxide. Due to explain, treating copper chips with concentrated nitric acid release toxic brown gas NO2, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxide. Okay, it is a reddish brown gas with pungent odor. Okay, next question, question number 6. What shape is the nitric acid HNO3 molecule in its gaseous state? That is option C, planar. Okay, due to explain for this part, in the gas state, the nitric acid molecule has a triangular planar shape with a steric number of 3 number lone pair of electron. There are two major resonance from of nitric acid. Okay, this part discuss very deeply others video. Follow the others video in description box. Okay. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following ions in the brown ring text useful for determining? Option D, nitrate, that is NO3. Okay, due to brown ring test is used to determine the presence of nitrate ion, that is NO3 minus. Dilute ferrous sulfate solution is added to solution containing nitrate ion. Following this part, concentrated sulfuric acid is added along the side of the test tube. A brown ring is formed at the junction concentrated sulfuric acid and solution. Okay, my dear viewers, follow the next question. Question number 8. What catalyst is used for oxidation of ammonia to produce nitric oxide? Option C, that is platinum rhodium grace. Okay, due to explain for this part, ammonia is oxidized to nitrogen oxide in the presence of platinum rhodium gas catalyst at the temperature of 500 Kelvin and presence of pressure of 8 bar. The nitrous oxide is then converted to nitrogen dioxide, which is further react with water to produce nitric oxide, and the nitric oxide NO formed is recycled. Okay, next question, question number 9. Okay, when should nitric acid not be used? Which of the following application is not applicable, that is appropriate for this part? Option C, Option C means in refrigerators it is used as a coolant or refrigerant. Okay, next question number 10. With regard to nitrogen, which of the following statement is incorrect? That is option B. D orbitals are available for use in bonding applications. That is due to explain for this part, because of the nature of nitrogen, D orbitals are not readily available. Okay, next question number 11. The elements of group 15 are collectively referred to as option A, pnictogens. Due to explain for this part A, that is pnictogens and their compound pnictosides are the names given as this group the elements collectively. Next question number 12. The ionic radii in arsenic, antimony, bismuth ion are in the following order. Option, that is option D. Bismuth cation referable to antimony and bismuth. Due to explain for this part, the ionic radius increases as one moves down the groove. Okay. Next question number 13. Which of the following elements has the highest metallic content? Option D, bismuth. Due to explain for this part, the amount of the metallic character increases as you move down the group, with bismuth belong, that is being the most metallic character. Okay. Next question number 14. State which of the following elements from group 15 from metallic bond? Option D, bismuth. Due to explain, the bismuth is in elemental state. It from metallic bond. Next question number 15. What are three most significant oxidation state of phosphorus? Option A, that is -3, +3 and +5 are possible outcomes. Okay, clear? Next question number 16. Which of the following statement is incorrect about group 15? Incorrect. That is option B. The boiling point and melting points of the substance in group 15 range from the top to bottom. Due to explain for this part, melting point of the group 15 elements increase up to arsenic and then decreases until bismuth to reached. Next question number 17. Nitrogen is a relatively inactive element due to the fact that option D, its molecule has a relatively high dissociation energy, which is the significant. Due to this explain for this part, it is relatively inactive due to the presence of triple bond between nitrogen atoms, which has a very high dissociation energy, that is 946 kilojoule per mole. Okay, making it is relatively inactive compound. Okay, next question number 18. With regard to p-pi bonding, Which of the following has highest tendency in p-pi bonding? That is option A, that is nitrogen. Nitrogen's small size allow it to exhibit pp overlap, resulting in the formation of nitrogen okay triple bond, whereas the rest of the elements larger size prevent them from exhibiting p-pi overlap. Okay, my dear viewers, next question number 19. Choose the incorrect statement following this list. Okay, option C. Option C is the incorrect statement, but other is the correct statement. That is, nitrogen exhibit in the higher catenation tendency when compared to the others elements in the same group as nitrogen. Due to explain for this part, in comparison to others element in the same group, the catenation tendency of phosphorus is higher. Okay, phosphorus tendency of the catenation is higher. Next question number 20. Nitrogen is converted into N2, but phosphorus is converted into P4 from P, and the reason for this conversion is option C, that is, the strength of p-pi bonding is low. Okay, my dear viewers, next question number 21. What is the reason for nitrogen's chemical interest, chemical inactive for this property? That is the option D. D means a high level of bond energy. Question number 22. That is the fact that they are member of the same group pentavalent in phosphorus is more stable than that in nitrogen. This is the fact. Option B. As a result, the presence of vacant d orbital. Vacant d orbital presence in phosphorus but absent in nitrogen. Due to explain for this part, the vacant d atomic orbital in the valence shell of phosphorus, it is possible to the coordination number 5, whereas this is not possible in nitrogen. Okay, next question number 23. The lowest boiling point of the found in which of these two substances? Option B, that is phosphine, pH 3 phosphine. Next question number 24. As we move from nitrogen to bismuth in the group 15 elements, the pentavalency becomes less pronounced and trivalency becomes more pronounced due to presence of valence bond. Option B. Option B means the effect of inert pair. Okay. Next question number 25. In which one of the following groups of element are the element referred to as pnictogens? Okay. Option A. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony are the most abundant element, that is the pnictogen family. That is option A is the right answer. My dear viewers, any query, please comment in box. To take the PDF form of the study material, please also comment in box. Okay, thank you my dear viewers, thank you.